Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show how to share Android's VPN connection over mobile hotspot. This is useful if you have a VPN connection on your Android device that you'd like to share with other devices like your laptop, tablet or phone. To start, first of all, you need to open the VPN app on your phone and activate a VPN location. I'm using Surfshark VPN, but it'll work with any VPN app. Let's set the VPN location to Australia. Android smartphones let you share the mobile data over the Wi-Fi hotspot. However, it doesn't share the VPN connection through the hotspot. So, to enable this functionality on Android, we have to use a VPN Tethering app. There are so many VPN Tethering apps available on Play Store. For this tutorial, we are going to use the Every Proxy app. This app doesn't require root access. After installing the app, launch it and toggle on HTTP/HTTPS. It now generates the proxy hosts and port. You have to use them on the device you want to share your VPN connection with. Connect a laptop or PC to the hotspot. Let's share the Android's VPN connection with a PC or laptop. First, connect your PC to the mobile hotspot. Now, we need to set up the proxy settings on the PC. To do so, open the control panel. Click on Network and Internet. Internet options. Go to the connection tabs. Then click LAN settings. Here, enable the proxy server checkbox. Then, in the address field, we need to enter the host IP from Every Proxy app. Every Proxy detects multiple host IP addresses. Using any of them will work just fine. However, it'd be best to use the first IP as it never changes when you change the VPN location. In the port field, enter the port number from the app. Click OK to apply the changes. Now, to check whether or not the VPN connection is working, open a browser and visit the whatismyipaddress.com website. You can see it's showing my VPN location that we set on the phone. Now, if I change the VPN location of my phone, let's set it to Canada, and refresh the IP tracker website on my PC, you can see the VPN location has also changed on the PC. Connect an Android device to the hotspot. If you want to connect an Android device to the hotspot, go to the Wi-Fi settings. Connect the mobile hotspot. Go to the network details, tap on proxy and change it to manual. Then enter the host IP and port. Now, if you open the IP tracker website, it should show the VPN location of the host mobile.